Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here is where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Kilangur ki Chief Executive Member, Jong Kilaitili ki Autonomous District Council ki Pakanthum, ya ubat ita Starwell Khan, ubat Thambor Shiwan, badu Albinish Marang, hak jing kenduk lang kabalalong hanong ba shilong hak arpusautrik uyayong arhatar arpulai, kila shem ya karai ban Pyrshah doim do yam, halor kajing thumu jong ka Sarkar India ban Pyntreikam, ya ka Uniform Civil Code, habarok away ka India. Haka jinga keren bakila pathai khubor ubat tita Starwell Khan ulai thu ba haka ni jinga lang kila shem ya karai ban Pyrshah ya ka jing Pyntreikam ya ka ni ka an hapok schedule area but ongru balada ka ni ka an kan Pyntreikam kan kata hadu kata ya ka ikhtiar bat ya ka jing Pyntreikam Jong ki District Council khamtam e kan kata ya ki an tenrai bat ya ki jaj ban riu khasi jantia bat garu.
So we feel that UCC will directly had an impact on the powers and function of the Autonomous District Council, especially with our custom, our traditional practice, community as a whole. So we have unanimously decided that jointly we will pass a resolution that implementation of UCC in the 6th schedule area will be totally opposed. We will pass also a resolution in our respective council soon regarding this matter. Secondly, regarding the amendment of the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule, this matter has been kept for so long, so we would like that amendment of 6th schedule should be passed by the central government soon in the parliament. But there are some issues which are still pending regarding two issues, that is the implementation of village council in the scheduled area and unrepresented tribe. These are the two issues which are still pending, which needs to be elaborated more, to discuss more. So we have discussed this matter seriously. I would like to inform you that we have highlighted to our friends from Garo Hills and Jainte Hills that in KHADC we have passed Act which called Village Development Council Bill. So we would like to see that even in this two council also, which they should pass this bill, so that implementation of village council will no longer implement in our state, because we have our own traditional institution. Because according to this proposed amendment, the implementation of village council in our state will dilute the powers and function of our traditional institution. So we will not like to see that our traditional institution will go away. We would like to see them to remain with our traditional practice. So that's why we have decided that these matters will be discussed in the respective council soon, and they have also their own bill in the respective council like Jainte Hills and Garo Hills also. Maybe they will have more amendment, or they will pass this separate bill which we call Village Development Council Bill.
You see, in our Jainte Hill District Council, We are already having that act, that appointment of chief and headman, Act 2015. What we had already discussed here, if that act we had already have with us may not be approved or may not be accepted by the central government. So that is why we had already decided jointly within 3 autonomous district council, we will have this village development council to be formed with immediate effect.
So now also we would like to urge the state government that this subject should be given back to all the autonomous district council for issuing the scheduled tribe scheme.
And we have discussed regarding this one.
PRC.
Yes.
Yeah, that issuing of PRC also by respective deputy commissioner. So this issue also we have to get before issuing any PRC by the district administration, should get first the confirmation from all the district council. Yeah, there are 2 issues they have, especially for 2 autonomous district council, because if they pass this village development council also, I think they have to call for a special session. So hopefully by next month we would like to speed up this matter, because as I have said, I have mentioned that we want at least amendment of 6th schedule should be taken place within this year, so that we from our side will speed up the see. There are so many problems, as I have discussed, said you, that it will affect our traditional custom, like our marriage system. So you see, once this UCC has been implemented, we'll have only a uniform marriage system, right? But here in our custom, we have different. Even religious also it will affect it. Even those who have the traditional custom also, they will be affected. So as we scheduled tribe, we are feeling that this implementation of UCC will not be able to accept in our state. When we pass a resolution, it means like that also, that the state government also will have to go in the same line. Like we have opposed this implementation of CAA, so the CAA has been accepted in the scheduled area. I think UCC also should be accepted in the scheduled area. So, yeah, there are 2 issues I have told you. The issue of village council and issue of unrepresented tribe. These are the 2 issues which the central government has written to the state government again to look for this issue. Once we clear these 2 issues, then I think from the central government also they are willing to pass this amendment at the end.